Hi there. So let's talk about filters in Vue.Js. So basically, filters are used for text formatting, manipulation of strings in your components in Vue.js, or you can directly manipulate using filters. So let's take a simple example so that you can understand how to use filters. So go to Vue.js.org and click on Get Started to go to Guide, where you have this CDN address. I'm going to copy it and paste it in my boilerplate HTML text. Now here, I want to create divide name app. So that's where I'm going to target my view. Now here, I'm going to use one input, and that input is basically going to get my user input, and from there I'm going to count the word count. Okay, so on next line I'm just going to use this as count letters. Okay, and after that, let's just go ahead and create our view so that we can return back to what we want to count and how to display that. So first thing, we are going to create our view. So new view. Okay, then we want to point to our app view, then go to data. Here, I want to give my model some name, and I'm going to keep it empty. Okay, after that you have to create filter. So type in filters, and within that I want to create filter name count letters, and then make a function out of that. And here I want to just return value dot length. Okay, so that's what is going to return. So I have to use vmodel for name. Okay, so this is what our input should consist of. Then comes my count letters, where within this curly bracket I'm going to use name, then pipe it with count letters. Okay, and once you do that, you are ready to execute. Okay, so let's open our page, refresh, and you see one input box, and here I'm going to type in Devnami. Okay, so it shows count letters 7. So your filter allows you to count exactly by binding your input with that count letters.